Carlene, just some really dangerous conditions up there. Is that part of the system that we're feeling right now?
Well, the thing is, that's going to move in for us as we go into the weekend. So we do have some warm temperatures out there. And as we go into our forecast, a whole lot of sunshine is going to be on the way. You're going to see less of those cumulus clouds building over the mountains. And that's what we had for today. You see them? They ain't there. No, we did not have them for today. We did have a few high clouds that were out there, and this is the view looking south from Palomar Mountain. So we saw a lot more sunshine than cloud cover for today. Not too many cumulus clouds over the mountains, but we will start to have that marine layer rolling in closer towards the coast. 80 degrees currently for downtown, as well as mostly sunny skies and relative humidity values that are less than yesterday. So we also have winds out of the northwest at 6 miles per hour for downtown. You're looking at some drier air that's in play, except for along the coast, we still have those high humidity values. You have the influence of that marine air. So that sea breeze bringing in some relative humidity values into the 50s, as well as 71% right now for Oceanside. But it is drier than it has been over the past few days, and that trend's going to stick around for tomorrow as well. So a lot more sunshine and not too many clouds out there. But we did have some high clouds added to the scenery, not blocking out the sunshine whatsoever. So that UV index was still extreme. Expect that for tomorrow as well. Taking a more expansive look over the west, talking about that area of high pressure that's impacting the Pacific Northwest. It is bringing excessive heat warnings all across the Pacific Northwest, mentioning Portland, 107 degrees for today, and also they're still in store for that heat over the next couple of days. The warning does not expire until 8 p.m. on Saturday. Flash flood concerns still across Arizona and New Mexico as monsoonal moisture continues to move through. Now, the high pressure system will move a little bit more towards the south, and as a result, ahead of that, the National Weather Service issued an excessive heat watch, and that's for the high desert starting on Saturday, and that's going to go into Sunday. Talking about the heat across the nation, we're actually starting to see some of those heat advisories being lifted. Now, we still have one that's in play across Arkansas, also Louisiana, and portions of Texas, and you're still seeing that across the Northeast. An excessive heat warning that's in play for Pennsylvania. Also still seeing some of those heat advisories across the Northeast because relative humidity is going to make it feel like triple-digit heat. Also talking about Florida, there is a tropical storm watch that's in play. Right now, it is Tropical Depression Fred, but over the weekend on Saturday morning expected to make its U.S. landfall as a tropical storm. So that will be Tropical Storm Fred making that U.S. landfall potentially right across the Florida Keys. Taking a look at your 8-day microclimate forecast, you got the low 80s for tomorrow, low 90s for the inland valleys, and then we go back into the 70s and 80s by next week. We're looking at the return of monsoonal moisture, and that's going to be for the mountains with a chance for thunderstorms starting on Sunday, Monday for the desert.